paise will be written as. Now, first of all, the symbol of rupee is going to come.
Ma'am, 800
Please don't touch the screen.
rupees and paisa. Second question. Ma'am,
Okay.
second option.
30.
All right. Now, here, Aradhya, what is happening?
Ma'am, second
So-
Please
option.
stop whispering. Stop whispering. There is a lot of background noise. Please stop touching the screen. Otherwise, I will not share the
30
revision test. I am
rupees
telling you.
Second
Aditi,
70%.
you are not supposed to write anything on the screen. You are supposed to write everything on your rough copy or in your maths copy. All right?
is 2.
Now, everyone, please mute yourselves.
Ma'am, who is watching music?
Nobody is watching music. Everyone is going to mute their microphones. Okay? Now, all the children have joined, so I will be going roll number wise. One by one, I am taking your name and you are going to answer the question. All right? Okay. Now we are at the fifth question. Again, Atharv Singh, you haven't muted your microphone. Mute it, please. Okay. Arav, let's come to the fifth question.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer of the fifth question?
Ma'am,
First of all, we write the symbol of rupee. Then how many rupees are there?
ma'am, second one. Ma'am, second option.
Yes, very good. Option number 2. We have rupees 80. Then we put a dot and 2 places for the paise. Now, 7 paise means that you will write 7 at the first place from the right hand side. Okay. So, rupees 80.07 paise. Now, the sixth one, Aditi, solve
Ma'am, I
the
know
sixth
that.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve the sixth question.
Ma'am, I know.
Arhan, you will get your chance.
Ma'am, please wait.
Aditi, try to do it orally, beta. You don't need to write anything in the copy. It's a mental maths question. 40 plus 30 will be equal to how much?
Ma'am, please wait some minute. Third.
What, beta?
Ma'am, 30 rupees and 70 paise.
Yes. Now try to do it in your mind. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is only one option where you are getting 70 paise. And that is option number 1. Okay. So 30 rupees, 70 paise. All right. Aprajita, are you there? Those whose turn
Yes,
is over,
ma'am.
they have to mute their microphones. I will not keep reminding you, children. Okay. Let's read the 7th one. Aprajita, please read the question.
Find out the correct mathematical expression for the problem. Ritu has 3,482 numbers. She gave 2,452 her friend. How many marbles are left with her?
Okay. So, what is the total number of marbles, Prajita? The total number of marbles that Ritu had in the beginning. See, children, in tomorrow's test, you will also get problem sums, word problems. We have solved word problems in the class. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yeah.
the word problems are of 3 marks.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
And you will be getting 3
Yes,
word
ma'am.
problems. So, you will get half marks for your statements also. So, make sure you write the statements also. So, what do you think should be the first statement in this question? 7. Aradhya,
Marbles. Ritu has marbles. Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, Sholya,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you think should be the first
Ma'am.
statement?
First, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, option 2.
I'm not asking the answer. I'm asking what should be the first statement according to this word problem. It is a word problem, no?
The sum of 60,000 and 20,000 will be
Aradhya, beta, you are doing which question? We are on question number 7.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Find out the correct mathematical
Expression.
expression for the problem. The two has three
3,000.
3,452 marbles.
Okay.
He gave two 2,452 marbles
Okay.
to her friend. How many marbles are left with her?
Yes. So what should be the first statement? What is the question telling you first? Think. Write down, everyone. Write down the statements in your copy. Aradhya Singh, have you written the first statement?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the first statement?
Ma'am, Ritu has marbles.
Okay. Or you can also write total number of marbles. Okay. Total number of marbles is equal to how much?
1 minute.
You take lots of answers.
Ma'am, 3,452.
Yes, 3,452. Now, the next statement.
5,904.
Okay, who is this?
Ma'am, Arav. Ma'am,
Okay, Arav. Arav, tell me. Suppose you have 10 pencils with you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And your friend asks you to give him 4 pencils. So you give 4 pencils to your friend. So how many pencils are left with you?
Ma'am,
You have 10 pencils.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Arav.
6.
6. So what did you
Ma'am,
do?
6.
Did you add or subtract?
Ma'am, subtract.
Subtract. Now here,
Ma'am.
Ritu is also giving away some of the marbles to her friend.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of seventh question?
What, beta? I did not get it. What are you saying?
Ma'am, can you read the seventh question?
Ma'am,
Okay,
I know
okay.
the seventh.
All right. I'm reading it. Ritu has 3,452 marbles. Okay. So the total
Yes, ma'am.
number of marbles in this question is 3,452. She gave, now she has given away
Yes, ma'am.
2,452 marbles to her friend. Just like Arav has given 4 pencils to his friend, in the same way, Ritu has given 2,452 marbles to her friend. How many marbles are left with her?
Ma'am, I know.
So, what are you going to do? First of all, tell me what operation you are going to perform. Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, yes. When you give something away, you are left
Ma'am,
with
answer is
less number of things.
Ma'am,
So,
option two.
yes, what are you saying, Athar?
Ma'am, the answer is option two.
Yes, the answer will be option number
the answer
2,
two.
where you have to subtract. Okay. Now, have you written the first statement in the fair copy? Or in whichever copy you are doing this revision? Do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Total number of marbles. Aradhya,
Yes,
please do
ma'am.
not touch the
Ma'am,
screen. The
done.
screen gets dirty. Now, the next statement will be number of marbles given away. Okay, so what is the number of marbles she gave away? 2,452. Number of marbles given away. Okay, 2,452 marbles.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, marbles left with Ritu. The third statement will be marbles left with Ritu. Please mute your microphone. Children, you are supposed to mute your microphones. You are disturbing the whole class. Mute everyone. Mute your microphones.
Ma'am,
Yes,
anyone is
Samiksha.
watching? Ma'am, anyone is watching? Song.
Someone. Okay. Samiksha, you say someone is watching. Not anyone. All right. Okay, children. Now, the final statement will be number of marbles left with Ritu is equal to 3,452 minus 2,452. Okay.
Mama, I know the answer.
So, okay, tell what is the answer?
Ma'am,
1,000.
1,000.
answer
Yes,
is
it is a mental
1,000.
maths question. Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
1,000 marbles are left with Ritu.
Ritu.
Has everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, children, the next one. I'm sharing the next question paper. Okay, just a minute.
Okay, ma'am. यार please wait.
Children, question number 8 is divided between the first page and the second page. All right. So don't get
Yes, ma'am.
confused.
Ma'am, it is not coming.
It is coming, beta. It is taking a bit of time. Just a minute. Okay, this is something else. Just a minute. Let me find it. All right. Children, can you see the 8th question? Half of the question is going on the next page. Okay, so don't get confused.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, Arhan, can you read the question? Question number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it, beta.
Students are girl and 632 student and boy. What is the total number of students studying in that school?
Okay, now it is not a student. Okay, it is students. All right, students. Don't say is. I is not there. And studying. Okay, not studying, studying. Now, in a school, we are talking about a school. Like we have a school and we have a certain number of girls and boys in our class. In the same way, we are talking about a school. Now, in this school, there are some girls and some boys. Okay. Yes. Yes, beta, who's asking? Okay. So, what should be the first statement? Atharv Sinha? Atharv Sinha, are you there? Okay. Atharv Singh.
Well, Atharv is not
Aditi, you
here.
have got your chance. Let the others get their chances.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Atharv,
Yes, ma'am.
what should be the first statement in this question?
Ninth one.
I know.
The 8th
Ma'am.
one, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
The 8th one that we have just read.
Find out the correct mathematical
Rest of you will solve this question in the copy.
extraction of the problems in a school. Ma'am, what are
Atharv, beta, I'm asking the statement. What should be the statement of the question? I'm not talking about the question itself. What information are you getting from this question? Okay, Vishwas is here. No. Harshika. Harshika.
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the first statement of question number 8?
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
The total
Atharv.
number of students in the school.
ma'am, the answer is 0.1.
Ma'am, the total number of
Atharv,
students
I'm
in a
not
school.
asking you the answer. Okay, but that is what we have to find out. I'm asking what should be the first statement. What is the question telling you?
Ma'am, the first statement.
Aradhya? Aradhya is going to get -2 today.
Ma'am.
The children who do not listen to the instructions in the class Out of 5 marks of class performance, I will reduce 2 marks. I will give you 3 out of 5.
Ma'am, number of students in school.
Some children are not having their videos on.
I'm
That will be the final answer statement, the number of students. First of all, the statement will be number of girls is equal to. Now, what is the number of girls in the school? Harshika?
Ma'am, 632.
Okay. So the first statement, children write down the first statement. Number of girls is equal to 542.
Number 10. Number
10. Can you guess the second statement? Samiksha? Can you guess the second statement? What will be the second statement?
Ma'am,
Yes, Aprajita.
ma'am, we have to send this work to you.
It is for your revision, beta. You don't have to send it to me. We are just practicing for the test tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In the subjective paper that will start at 12 o'clock, you will solve the problem sums in the same way. You will write the statements first. Then you will solve the question and then write the answer. Okay. Do not solve the question directly.
Okay,
Otherwise, you
ma'am.
will get only 2 marks out of 3. 1 mark is
Okay,
for
ma'am.
your statements. Alright, now what should be the second statement? Come on, quickly. We are taking a lot of time. Sanjeevni, can you guess the second statement?
Mama, I know.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, number of boys in school.
Yes, number of girls is equal to 542. And then number of boys is equal to 632. All right, these are the two statements, the information that we are getting from the question.
Okay,
Now, how will you find out the total number?
ma'am, we will plus. Ma'am, we
Shashwat?
will add. Yes, ma'am.
How you will find the answer, the total number of students?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, we will add.
What are you going to add? Yes.
Excuse me. Ma'am, there are only 18 questions.
Yes, there are only 18 questions.
First option.
Okay, the first option says
Ma'am,
add the number of girls and the number of boys.
Boys.
Yes, so we will write the total number of students is equal to 542 plus 632. And then you are going to find out the final number of students. Okay? Samiksha, mute your microphone. 4 children. I can see 4 children whose microphone is on. It's not muted. Still one child is there whose microphone is still on. Shashwat, mute your microphone immediately. Okay. No, Trivisha is not here. Vivan, I cannot see Vivan also here. Okay, Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Arav solve the 9th question. Arav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These two sums are the same that we have done. You know, some of the sums we have already done. Let's. Okay. Arav, come to question number 11. Can you
Okay,
see
ma'am.
question number 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find out what is the correct answer.
7,39,000.
Rest of the children are going to write the correct option in their comment.
Yes.
Yes. Written as which option?
Ma'am.
1, 2, 3, or 4?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, option 1. Ma'am, option 1. Ma'am.
Yes, very good. Option number 1. 7,39,852. Correct. Very good, Arav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who's this?
Ma'am, Sanjeevni can leave the meeting. I have done and sent it to you.
Okay, Sanjeevni, you can leave.
Okay,
All right,
ma'am.
children. Now the next one. Aditi, are you there? Okay, she's not here. Aprajita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aprajita, read the 12th one.
The place value of 9 in 8,69,345 is.
Yes. Now, what is place value? Do you remember, children? Place value is the place that a number occupies. Okay. So, the digit 9 is which place?
Ma'am, option number 1.
Yes, very good. Option number 1. 9 is at the thousands place. So the place value of 9 is 9,000. Very good, Aprajita. Okay. Aradhya, Sholya. Aradhya Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
do the next one, 13.
Okay, ma'am. The greatest possible 10-digit number that made from digits.
Now, children, see, there are 6 digits and number of digits in the question is a 7-digit number. That means you have to repeat any one number 2 times. Okay, then only you are going to get the 7-digit number. So, Aradhya, in which order we have to arrange the digits for the greatest possible number? Ascending order or descending order?
Ma'am, ma'am, ascending order.
Ascending order. Ascending order is from smallest to biggest. So if we start from smallest to biggest, we'll get the smallest number first.
One descending order.
Can tell.
Descending.
Descending order, yes. For greatest number, we always arrange the digits in descending order. That means the greatest number is going to come first and the smallest number is going to come in the end. Okay.
Ma'am, option B. Ma'am, option B.
Yes, very good. Option B will be the correct option. How? Because we have arranged the numbers from greatest to smallest. So that means 9 is going to come first. Now see children, there are only 2 options in which 9 is coming first. Okay. Now, we have to keep on arranging it in descending order. That